guys, today I'm going to do the this or that squishy tag thing. I don't know who it was created by, but yeah, anyway, I'm going to do it. So yeah, the first, I have them in this container. So the first one I pull out is this cracker, this green cracker, which is defective, or this blue cracker, which is also defective because I used it in an experiment, but I didn't do it on camera. But here's this one, and the one I choose is the green one. I choose the green one because it's way softer, and I don't know why, I just like this one. But yeah, there's that one, and two, there's more. This or that, yeah. And then there's this, it's a heart macaron, but it's orange, I think, with an upset face thing. I don't know what it is. But then there is this this pink heart macaron. And the one that I choose, as much as I love this one, I choose this one because, I mean, you can't say no to this face. It's adorable. So I like this one, and I'm sorry about this one, but I don't like this one. And then sorry, the window. Okay, so then there is this dumpling, which is really squishy, and this blush bun, which is also squishy, and this is a really hard one. But I have to go with the dumpling. It's really squishy, you guys. I just can't sign on, but I'm sorry, blush bun. And then there is this pink cat, which I love, and this yellow one. And I have to go with the pink cat because it's my favorite and it's squishier. And then there is this panda bun, which used to be a panda bun, and it's really squishy. And this mini dumpling, panda bun. Sorry, but I have to choose that one. And that was for, oh wait, okay, so there's this brown bun that I have, which is my favorite, and this panda bun. I have to choose this one. It's squishier. Okay, then there is this stress ball panda bun, not panda bun, this panda, stress panda, and this squishy panda bun, not panda bun, this panda. And the one that I choose is going to be the stress ball one. I don't know, it's cuter. This one, I just don't really like it as much. But this one I love, but it's sturdy. And then there is this blue Hello Kitty bun, and this toast, which is really scary to me because it's a scary face. And I choose this one. Sorry, but I choose this one. And then there is this blue toast, this blue onsen toast, and this rilakkuma with acrylic, and tori toast, pink toast. This one, because this one's squishier. Serious? Are you serious? The window. So like, comment, subscribe to become Squishy Lover. Bye.
Take it slow, but it's not typical.